Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy 3 fish, please.
What else do you want?
Yes, I want garlic, honey, ice cream, and nuts, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Anything else?
Yes, I want lemons, mangoes, oranges, and rice.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Wow, this market is absolutely packed today. It's so lively. I love all the fresh produce.
Me too. I came specifically for the organic strawberries. Do you smell them? They smell amazing. Are you looking for anything particular today?
I need a few things for dinner tonight. I'm going to attempt that new Cambodia curry recipe I told you about. I need some fresh basil and some chilies.
You're brave. I'm too nervous to buy chilies here. I always end up choosing ones that are too spicy. By the way, look at this stall. Their avocados look perfectly ripe.
They do. How much are they? Ah, $4.50 for 3. That seems like a pretty good deal. Let's grab them.
Okay. And look, they have fresh ginger. You'll definitely need that for your curry. I always buy extra and freeze it. It saves a lot of hassle later.
That's a smart tip. I always forget to do that. I'll take a large piece. Are you ready to head to the bread stall next? I'm craving a fresh sourdough loaf.
Sounds like a plan. Follow me. The bread vendor is usually right past the flour stalls.
Great. Let's go.